Another day of work. Who could that be? In this door. Hello? Stupid dog.
Hey, dude, who's that at the door?
Nobody. Just some hobo asking me for some spare change.
Well, let me want to play outside. Let's play outside. Let's go.
Oh, kids, if you're going outside, go out the back door, please.
Man, we gotta go out back, Lemmy. Oh, well, let's go. Oh, what a small little backyard. Damn, there's so much noise back here. Wait, what's that noise? What? What is that? A dog? Wait, Lemmy, don't we already have a pet? Oh, Junior, now that classifies as filler. So, no, we don't. So let's try to get the dog. Come on, dog, come inside. Oh my goodness, Junior, I gotta show Doug. All right, well, I'll just be sitting here.
What the heck is that noise?
Doug, we got a dog. We found it outside.
Dog? Why would you have a dog? You dumb piece of
I hear the music. I'm just gonna turn around.
Junior, remember y'all are gonna have to get rid of that thing.
There's something on the news.
I'll break your news, mate. If you're wondering what happened to my eye, it's off a deleted video that I never posted. But in other words, the pounds are so desperate that if you sell a dog to them, they'll give you about $1,000. The more you keep them, the more money they give you. So please keep your dogs. Don't get rid of them. Mate.
See, Doug, we still can have the dog.
Fine. But I'm gonna go take a nap. You can stay, dog.
Hey, Junior, now we got a dog. Slimmy, yes we do.